So today we're using the offshore planer boards to spread our lures out away from the boat to cover large areas of water to try and get these big walleyes in. And a couple little tips that I've used over the years to help you basically land a giant fish. Is what happens is a lot of times when you're pulling these offshore boards, a big fish will pull this underwater when you get them hooked up. And what happens is now you're just fighting the planer board, you're not fighting the fish, so the chances of that fish coming off are a lot greater. So what I like to do is definitely use an orange clip in the front when I'm chasing giant walleyes, because the orange clip in the front has no pin in the middle. The red clip on the back does. So the red clip in the back, it basically stays on your line all the time. So when the board's in the water, the line's hooked up to both clips, and all of a sudden you get that big fish on, he pulls the board underwater. What you want to do is just tighten up your line and give it a quick snap with the rod tip. And what happens is the line will pull free of that orange clip in the front. It'll rotate the board 180 degrees and now it'll come right back to the surface. So you're not fighting the board, you're fighting the fish. That's going to give you a way better chance of landing that trophy of a lifetime. Take a few pictures and let her go. So use that tip next time out chasing giant walleyes and it should help you a lot.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.